Didn't know what I got into. Somehow I can't go back even if I really wanted to. So what else should I do? Here in the end it's just me and her. I never wanted to pay attention, and I've been had and she's taken over. So here we go, you can fight me now. It's too late to say sorry. You can try to stop her if you're able. She knows my determination is unstable. I know my control is gone. She is just taking over now. This is where I am and now I'm here. There is nothing I can do now. She is here and now I'm gone. But now I fight back because of love. Because of love. Because of love. Love, love, love. You know who she is, do you remember who I am? Once we knew each other, we had been good friends. But then I let her out without giving it a thought. Every time I think of her, I hope she dies once again. You can try to stop her if you're able. All I know is that this is unbearable. If I can stop her once, it will be over. But she'll just only keep coming back. Everything is gone as I can tell. It's a horrible day to be where I am. She took over, I stayed back, but now I fight to make it right. Now we fight because of love, because of love, because of love. But I'll fight back for you, love, love, love. But I'll fight back for you, love.